If you want to customize how the eye protection shields work, tap on the settings, scroll down and tap on the display. Scroll down until you find eye comfort shield. Instead of just hitting the toggle switch, tap the next to itself and now click on that. From here, you can choose between adapted, which automatically adjusts color based on the time of the day, or you can tap on the custom, so which lets you set a specific schedule and manually slide the color bar to make the screen as warm or as cool as you prefer. The fastest way to toggle the feature is by using the quick setting menu. Simply swipe down from the top of your screen. Now reveal the full grid of icons and look for the icon labeled as Eye Comfort Shield. It usually looks like a small eye inside a circle. So tap it once to turn it on and it will turn blue highlighted, and tap it again to turn it off. So this is the simplest way you can turn on and off Eye Comfort Shield. Thanks for watching.